my mother frickin' birthday. So before anybody says anything, I just got a spray tan last night. Haven't washed it off yet, so that's why I look literally like a crazy person. So I'm about to shower. I'm exhausted. It is 11:15 Wednesday, November 6th. It's my birthday, like I said, and I don't have classes Wednesday, so it just worked out that I just have a really fun, chill, like my ideal, like perfect day. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I am going to shower, curl my hair, do my makeup. I'm actually kind of getting sick, which sucks. Like, who gets sick on their birthday? Like, what? But I have been going out a lot, and so that's kind of my fault for not taking care of myself, so it's okay. I've got makeup like running everywhere. So today, I'm just gonna give you like a little rundown. I'm going to my parents' house, and then we're going to drive to Raleigh, North Carolina, and go to my favorite mall. It's so pretty. And we're gonna eat at my one of my favorite restaurants there. It's like an Italian. Oh, it's so good. And then shop around all day. And then my best friend Michaela that I flew to Orlando to see, she came up. Not really for my birthday, it just happened to be that she got like 3 days off in a row, and she hadn't been home in 3 months. So I was like, girl, like, are you kidding me? Like, that's awesome. She gets to come home the day of my birthday. So I'm gonna pick her up, and then I think we're gonna come back here and like hang out. I don't really know. It's kind of undecided. Last year I had my day like all planned out. I'll link the birthday vlog up here, but I voted, got a massage, and got my hair done, and then went to eat that night, and then had to register for classes, and I still have to register for classes. So yeah, but I'm actually getting my hair done tomorrow, so I'm not doing it today. I'm getting like a blowout because one of my best friends in the whole world is throwing like a little party for me at her apartment, and so I just thought I'd get my hair done because I want to like look cute for pictures, you know. I'm so excited. So today I'm celebrating with my parents and Michaela. Tomorrow I'm celebrating with a ton of my friends. So excited. And then Saturday is like my family, like dinner, like all my family, like extended family and all that. So I'm gonna get in the shower. I'll probably do like a time lapse of me getting ready. I hope I'm not getting sick, but I feel sick. I slept in this sweatshirt and these like Nike sweatpants that are like literally huge, and I was shaking, so that's not a good sign. So I'm gonna get in the shower. Hi guys, okay, so I'm driving, so I'm not going to vlog, but I just wanted to show you my hair and makeup. I don't know if you guys can see it really good, but I didn't even show you my outfit because I'm running so late. It's 12:47 and I was supposed to be at my parents at 12, so I'm gonna be there around 1, and then it's an hour drive to where we're going. So yeah, but I just thought I'd update you. Okay, I'm gonna put the camera down and focus on driving now. I just pulled up to my parents' house and the freaking FedEx truck is here, and my parents are signing for something. So I don't even know where to park because the freaking FedEx truck is in the driveway, but it's okay, you know? Maybe he'll scurry on out of here. I'm just gonna park on the edge of the road, I guess. I don't really know what to do. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm just gonna park right here until he moves. Okay. There it is. Probably shouldn't show you guys my house, but you can't see the house number, so it's good. Okay, well, I will catch you guys when I'm inside figuring out, or I guess it's my birthday present. I don't know, because they're signing for something, so I don't know. I'll catch you guys when I'm inside and we're doing the next thing. Oh my gosh. They got me like 20 cards. Seriously. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Say hi, Dad.
Hello. Happy birthday, Tori.
The cake looks so good. We'll eat that when we get back.
It's chocolate all the way through.
So I guess I'm gonna open up gifts and cards, and then we're gonna be on the road. Okay. Okay. I don't want to like rip it. Remember last time I was so anxious to see if it was the right size? You can talk.
I I'm the camera person. I
She's
can't
better
talk.
off if she didn't.
How do you do this without ripping it?
It's probably practically impossible.
I've seen people do it though. You know what? Should I just rip it? Yeah, we're just ripping it. Okay, here's the big, wait. Here's the big reveal. Oh, it's already open. Oh, the ring came out. Oh, it's so pretty. It's supposed to look like that.
Oh.
Look at it compared to my, okay.
No, it may.
Does it have
something-
engraving?
Maybe.
Maybe.
Or, it made me cry. Our heart always. Stop. And that's cute because it's a love ring. And it's our
Exactly.
heart. Oh my god, okay. It looks so good.
That does look good.
That looks really good.
You like it?
I love it.
If it's good. Did you get a 54 or 55?
55.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I love it.
That's crying.
Are you crying? Oh.
I'm crying.
So she asked him to go get her cheetah jacket. And it's like one like this, like from Free People. And he comes back with this for this outfit.
I think that looks good.
Oh. Wait, did you do that as a joke? Yeah. Oh.
So the joke is on y'all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tori. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more. Well, what are you doing?
I was making a wish. I had to think of my wish. I never prepared for my wish, but this time I thought of it. I can't tell you that. It's a secret.
I hope that didn't mess my computer up. Does it hurt to close that when it's not closed? I mean, when it's not off?
No doubt. All right, guys. So I'm in my filming room at my parents' house. I literally am having deja vu because I think last year's birthday vlog, I did the same thing. I came upstairs and filmed my birthday haul and then vlogged it and like, wow. Okay, but the backdrop kept falling and it was just honestly embarrassing and annoying, but I got it filmed. I wasn't planning on doing a birthday haul because I wasn't expecting to get anything, but I went shopping today. So yeah, I didn't vlog at the mall because I was honestly just trying to enjoy walking around the mall and like shopping and being with my parents, but we just drove home and I filmed what I got today. I'll give you guys like a little sneak peek, but I went ham. But that video should be up before this one. But yeah, so I'm gonna clean up a little bit. We had cake and then I got a clip of that. What am I saying? But I don't know what time it is right now, but I need to go pick up my friend Michaela because she's in town. I don't know if I said this, but she is in town for my birthday from Florida, and because she works there at Disney World. She wasn't even planning on being home like for my birthday. It just like worked out. Like the one time that she comes home and all 6 months of working there, it's like for my birthday. So it was really special. So I'm gonna go pick her up and we're gonna go back to my apartment, chill, hang out, catch up, because I visited her in December, but I mean I freaking miss her and we gotta talk about a lot. So we're gonna hang out and then her boyfriend's gonna pick her up and then I gotta register for classes at midnight. And then that's a wrap on my birthday. But I might continue this vlog honestly till tomorrow because I've got classes, but like I'm getting a blowout after, and then my friends are like having like a little get together for me. So I might vlog a little bit of that because I'm excited. But yeah, so my first class tomorrow is canceled, which is crazy because last year on my birthday, it was on a Tuesday and I had communication from 6 to 9, but my teacher canceled it. So I had my birthday off, and then today I don't have classes, so I didn't have any classes. But then tomorrow my teacher was like, oh, you don't have class. Is my 11 a.m. So I just have to go in at 12:30 tomorrow, and yeah, I'm so excited. But I got some really good stuff today, you guys. We'll just have to watch the birthday haul. I'll link it in the description and throw it up here, but I think you guys will like it. I'm gonna clean up and I'll show you guys, I guess, when I get to Michaela's or like when we're hanging out, because I'm so excited. It's been too long. Guys, remember her?
I'm home.
She's home. She came home just for my birthday.
Yeah.
Did you even know though that it was my birthday?
Yes, I knew it was your birthday.
When you planned to come home?
Yeah. I
Is
was
that
like-
why?
That's not the whole reason I came home, but I was
Dang.
like, oh my gosh, it's gonna be Tori's birthday too.
Yeah, because when I told you, you're like, oh yeah, like I thought you forgot.
Because Skylar's birthday's tomorrow.
Your old roommate's birthday was yesterday.
Yeah,
That's so
it's
weird.
really weird.
Okay, so I just picked her up from her house and we drove back to my apartment and we've literally just been listening to music and chilling.
Yeah.
It's been a fun
Catching
day.
up.
Catching up. I know it's been since how much? It's not even been 2 months, like a month and a half.
It's been like a month because Jackson came a month ago.
Yeah. It was September 28th when I came back.
So like a month and a week or two.
And then you've only got a
Maybe.
month
Yeah.
and a week left. And then she's stuck with me forever because she's coming to my school.
Yes.
And it's gonna be so freaking fun and I'm so
Yeah,
happy.
I'm excited.
I'm like so ready for you to be here.
Me too.
Okay. So she wanted me to open her gift on camera. So
It's not big.
I told her not to give me anything. I didn't want anything. Okay.
I don't know why
Are you
it's in
scared?
a Billy soccer bag. I got you your ears.
The rose
you
gold.
wanted. Yeah.
Now I have to come back.
I know, because I wanted you to come back and see.
Guys,
me.
I told her I wanted these. And I almost got them at Disney.
Yeah. She almost got them, but she was only there for 2 days.
And so I was like, oh my god. Okay, I have to go back.
Those are so cute on
love
you.
them. Thank you so much. She has these too, so now we can twin.
Yeah.
No, but like I've always wanted these. Forever. But like we didn't have time. Like it's not that I
Yeah.
didn't want to buy them. Like we literally just didn't have
She
time.
almost bought them because we were passing that one store. and
Yeah.
we were like, I'm just
Well,
like,
the main reason why I did is because you got me those other ones. She also bought me another pair
Mhm.
that she got, and they were like flowers. Guys, go check out the Disney vlog. Did you watch it? Yeah, you did watch it.
I
Okay.
watched it like 3 times.
It
It
took
took me
me-
so happy.
Yeah, it was pretty long, but I don't care. There was so much. I didn't want to cut out anything because
Yeah.
there were some funny parts, but yeah, I'll go back in December if she can get off. Do you know what days you have off? You won't know.
No, but I can like give away shifts and trade them with people.
Okay,
So
because
I'll
I'm
get 2 days.
free all December, so just tell me, be like, Tori, come down these days, and I'll be like, okay, I'll book a flight,
Okay.
and then we'll figure out
I'm
hotels.
so excited.
Hotels will probably be more expensive than they. Honestly, I don't care.
Yeah, I might could get like a holiday discount.
Okay. Can I go to Hollywood Studios? Will that be open?
I'm blocked out of it right now, but they've been lifting the blocks each time.
Okay.
So we'll see, because they're adding a new ride there.
What ride?
Rise of Resistance. It's a Star Wars ride.
Oh.
So, but
Yeah.
we can try to go there. We can go to Animal Kingdom. We can go to a Christmas party.
Christmas party.
Yeah, because they'll have, you know, how, like they had Halloween parties.
Oh,
They have, like, Christmas
my
ones.
gosh, I would die.
Where they hand
I
out
would
like
die.
Christmas cookies and they have like a parade and a show, and it's so pretty.
Okay, I'm totally going back. Yeah. All right, so stay tuned for those vlogs. That'll be in a month for Christmas.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're just gonna hang out and chill more. And then I think she's leaving at like 11, what time?
Like
11:10?
11-ish.
Yeah, because I've got to register for classes at freaking midnight. I did that last year on my birthday too.
Really?
And I lived at home last year on my birthday. So I drove to Greensboro to register with like Brandon
Oh yeah.
and like all my friends there so we could get the same classes. And I just spent the night there.
I remember that.
But yeah, I think I'm just gonna FaceTime my friends tonight and register that way. Because we already have the schedule.
I was home for your birthday last year, right? I feel like I came home that weekend.
Mm-mm.
Didn't you?
You came home. No, because I went out to eat with my parents and then registered for class. I didn't hang out with you that day. I would have seen you that day. You came home for Thanksgiving. That's what you're thinking.
Oh yeah.
So it was like right after my birthday because you gave me my gift. Remember?
Yeah.
And we went and shopped for my apartment because I just got my apartment and I
Yeah.
hadn't moved in yet.
That was fun.
Yes. And then when you
Black
came,
Friday shopping.
oh my god, I'm gonna miss that this year.
I know, me too, because I'll probably be working.
I think I'm gonna get a new TV. I need a new TV. Okay, we're just like chatting. I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, I don't remember the last time I talked to you. I think it was when Michaela was here, but she left at 11. And sorry, I'm watching YouTube. But I just like took my makeup off. What is going on? And cleaned up a little bit and just kind of like chilled until I had to register for classes at 12. It's now 1 in the morning. It took me a good hour to do that, or a good 45 minutes, I'd say, to register. It didn't go as planned, but I'm actually really happy with the turnout. I told my advisor that I was gonna take a light semester because this semester has been killing me. Like, really killing me. I'm taking really hard classes, and a lot of them, so. To be admitted in my major, I only needed 2 more classes. I don't even know if you guys care, but I'm telling you. Which was Eco 250 and managerial accounting, and I'm in financial right now, and this will be my 3rd economics too, so I hate both of these classes. so much. So I needed those 2 only to be admitted to my major, and I'm already ahead for graduating on time. So my advisor was like, just take 12 credit hours and you'll still be ahead by your junior year. I was like, okay, bet. So I decided to take 4 classes, 2 online and 2 in class. I'll just tell you guys my schedule because I'm actually really pleased with it. I was trying to get Tuesday, Thursday classes because last semester I had Monday, Wednesday, and I was like, you know what, I'll do Tuesday, Thursday this year, or this semester, and I really liked it, but honestly, might prefer the Monday, Wednesday better, just because, I don't know, I feel like with the Monday, Wednesday, I have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I don't know. Does that make sense? Whatever. Okay, so I have management from 2 to 3:15 on Mondays, all in the same class. All my classes are in the same class. That's freaking awesome. So 2 to 3:15, and then I have accounting right after that from 3:30 to 4:45, but it's the classroom right beside it. Literally, same building, classroom right beside it. And then 2 to 3:15, 3:30 to 4:45, and then I have economics from the little classroom on Monday from 5 to 6:15. So my classes are pretty much together, so I don't have any breaks, which is good. That way I'm just like getting them done. So I have the whole morning and the whole night basically after 6. So I really like that because my schedule right now I have like a lot of breaks. Anyways, okay, and then I'm taking the economics online and then philosophy online, and then, okay, and then Tuesdays I don't have anything, and then Wednesday all I have is the management and the accounting. So I go in at 2 and leave at 4:45 on Wednesdays, and I'm done, and I have the whole weekend, so that's cool. I love that. I'm really happy because I was freaking out for a hot minute because I couldn't get the classes on Tuesday, Thursday that I wanted, so I had to like replan everything and like relook everything over, and it was like, you know what, I'm just have to do Monday, Wednesday, which is not the end of the world, and I'm actually excited. So it's no longer my birthday, but I want to shout a few people out because I had a fan page post a picture for me for my birthday. I had a sweet girl named Justine. She's a subscriber. She sent me a Starbucks gift card, which was so nice. Like, what? And then a subscriber, Yaylin, DM'd me, Anna DM'd me, and Leticia. And I feel like a few of you commented on my picture too, like on old pictures. But yeah, so shout out to all my amazing subscribers. I love you guys. And then a lot of you wished me a happy birthday on my video that I posted today, my Sephora sale video. So thank you so much. Like, you guys never go unnoticed. Like, I notice every single one of you. And all my friends and family that wish me a happy birthday, thank you as well. I love you. I'm just so grateful and so blessed, and my voice is so gone. So I'm gonna end off the video just because I'm so tired. Like, I don't know why I'm so tired and my voice is gone, and I've got a big day tomorrow. So I doubt I'll be filming tomorrow. I'll just follow me on Instagram if you want to see pictures from the party. I just want to enjoy it. So I hope you guys can understand. Here's my birthday vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. I'm so freaking grateful and blessed. I could cry. And today just was amazing. Perfect. The best day ever. I mean, I went shopping, went to one of my favorite restaurants, got the classes that I wanted, saw my best friend that I hadn't seen in a month and a half, and then spent time with my family. Just amazing day. I loved it. So, alright guys, like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, and I love you guys. Go watch my birthday haul if you want to see what I got. Mwah. Bye guys.